it! There's not even no food in it anymore.
Yes, there is. It's still popping, bro. There's so much.
Bro, holy shit.
Shh, pick up the fire. That could be Brody's mom. Bro, if Brody's mom sees this, we're Yo, if Brody's mom sees this, it's over.
We need some more.
No, we're good.
No, it doesn't.
Whole bottle. We have to eat some.
We can't.
We have to get
We
rid of
stopped
some
the
of the
microwave again.
evidence. We have to get rid of the evidence.
I'm sure it'll all fit in the hole. It's just kidnapping.
Bro, the microwave thing's glitching. Look.
There's still so much in there. There's so much.
We can't even open the glass.
If we try, we'll get everything.
Let's just try.
No way.
Stop. Okay, alright. Oh my god.
It's so
We have to clean this.
I have to
tomorrow.
stop. We have to stop.